First day. First night. Hindi tayo masyado nakatulog. Grabe yung manas ng mukha ko, diba? Coffee. Thank you. Hi everyone. Good morning. I think it's 5:15 a.m. I woke up at 5 a.m. So this is my third day of orientation and also my Friday. So tomorrow I don't have work for the next 2 days. And then after that, I'm back again. But, you know, like, I'm by myself at that time. Lately, I've been sleeping early because obviously I'm waking up early, you know. And I'm just really tired. So for today, maaga ako. Kasi maglalakad lang tayo papasok. Wala tayong masasakyan. Ang sister-in-law ko, she's night shift today. Kaya, ako tayo masasabayan. But it's okay. I'm just hoping and praying na, you know, maaraw ngayon. So, nagpiprep lang ako dito sa room. And then later, I'm gonna go down to get my coffee. I think I'm gonna have coffee kasi yesterday I tried not to have coffee and I've been yawning. Today, I'm hoping and praying it's gonna be a good day. To learn a lot kasi after my 2 days off, dun ako sa unit na yun eh. So, guys, for the first day, yung first day ko dito talagang hindi ako nakatulog ng gabi. Talagang anong oras na ako nakatulog noon. Siguro kasi syempre nag-a-adjust pa ako. I was so used to having my husband beside me and then lagi ko kasi tinitingnan yung anak ko before I go to sleep. Just to get a glimpse of her. I always do that. Katawagan ko ang asawa ko. Buong magdamag. I don't know, it just comforts me knowing that he's there. Actually, he's still there. If you can see my iPad over there, we're still on call. He's sleeping, by the way. Okay, so I'm just gonna eat my quick breakfast and then I'm gonna go walk. Okay, so I'm just gonna have coffee and bread. This is actually my sister-in-law's bread. So ito ko na pagpupunta kami ng Filipino store. I miss my family. That's all. Ang luto ni Miss Leslie, nakakamiss, diba? Pakapi niya. Just the comfort of your home. Iba kasi naman ba na panaginipan ko pa yung asawa ko. Punta daw dito, dinalawa ko. It got me excited. Pero sana kasama niya. If ever nadalaw siya. So, wakatan tayo for today's video. It's already 6:04 a.m. Ngayon, okay pa. Pero syempre, pagdating ng winter, girl. So, ganito yung itsura ng nilalakaran ko. Patag naman siya. Which is okay. May moon pa nga, oh. See? Parang medyo okay naman dito kasi maliit lang siyang town tapos parang everything is 5 minutes away tapos parang I feel like everything you need is here. Gaya yan, nandyan lang yung school, walking distance lang siya and then yeah, walking is not bad as long as the weather is good. Break 10:26. Oh my gosh. Another second break done. almost 2 o'clock. 4 more hours. 4.5. Oh my gosh, I'm finally done. Grabe ang haggard ng lola nyo. Anyway, so I'm finally done. I'm walking home. Nakita ko ng kabahay ko. Gusto niya ako isabay. Pero sabi ko, I'm gonna walk kasi maganda naman yung weather. Period. And then I think one of the residents' family gave them chocolate. They have a chocolate for everyone. It's already, hold on, let me see. 6:43 p.m. Kapag out tayo ng maaga. Grabe yung hagad ng mima nyo.